Hi, I'm Mark Haynes with Deco Sealers. In this COVID virus environment, we've had a lot of new customers, do-it-yourselfers, and contractors with all the extra time that they've had want to do home projects. So they want to seal, protect their masonry and their concrete. So we've got two products, Deco 20 and Deco 30, and I wanted to explain the differences. Deco 20 is for concrete. It's a foundation wall product. You can use it for damp basements on the interior, exterior. It can be block, poured concrete, precast, sidewalks. I have Deco 20 on this sidewalk now. You really can't tell where it's at. I'm going to show you the difference where I sprayed and where I didn't spray, but it's non-slippery, no sheen, it dries clear, it's a penetrating sealer. And that is for concrete, Deco 20. Deco 30 is for colored masonry. So your stone veneers, your split face block, brick, stucco, that is for Deco 30. The solids in Deco 30 are less because colored masonry, the porosity rates vary with colored masonry, and again, all of that is above grade, so you don't need such a high solid content with Deco 30. So the Deco 20, here's a sidewalk that, again, you have no idea where the 20 is, but if I spray, again, there's nothing slippery at all, and we're not sure where the 20 is, but if I spray you can see where it's darker, and there's the area that I did not spray the Deco 20, okay? All of this is beading off. I don't know if you can see the beading or not, but that is darker. So you figure about 4 to 5 years minimum, how long that'll last on a sidewalk. Again, same thing, that's Deco 20. Deco 30, I had Deco 30 sprayed on this whole retaining wall. This is a split face block retaining wall. Again, no sheen, no wet look. We have a product called Silicast that will give you a beauty enhancing product, pulls the colors out, but that's another look. The Deco 30, okay, again, no sheen, no wet look, and you'll be able to see where I sprayed and where I didn't spray. So right in here, it's getting darker, and this is the only area that I did not spray the Deco 30. Here it's beading off. If you can zoom in here a little, Austin. You can see how it's beading off. All right, and that area it stops, the Deco 30 is going to stop your efflorescence. Protects from cracking, freeze-thaw cycles, so going to give you longevity. It's going to last longer. So if you have any more questions, go to our decosealers.com website. Give us a call. Look forward to earning your business. Have a great day. Thank you.